Hi to all viewers, it's Edward, a member of MMM Community Philippines. What is MMM? MMM stands for Mabrodi Module Money Box. Based on my knowledge and experience about the system of MMM, it is an online mutual aid society, people who help each other by providing financial assistance to each member of its community. This is how it works. For example, you provide a financial assistance to other members who needs financial aid, and when the time comes that you need a financial assistance, they are always there to help you back. But wait, there's more. The financial aid that you provide before will be converted automatically to a Mabro, and it's increasing its amount 30% per month. That means you have more financial assistance to come in the future. This is what we call the power of giving. Sergey Mavrodi is a founder of the MMM social financial community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. Some questions and answers. MMM is legal? Yes, because no rules in this world saying that providing and receiving help to anybody is prohibited by the law. So exchanging help is absolutely legal without any obligations or taxes. MMM holds the money of its members? No, MMM is only the way or bridge so that all participants can directly donate and receive their financial assistance to each other, in other words, peer-to-peer. MMM have products? We have no product because we are not a company. MLM, HYIF, Matrix, or another Ponzi scheme. We only providing direct help and receiving by the rules of community. Come and join the fast-growing online community. Don't be a part of economic slavery anymore. We always have a choice. With MMM, together we can change the world.